What is Etsy SEO? Let's find out. So first of all, what is SEO? So search engine optimization. This translates to all the changes that you are going to make to your website and to your products in order to improve your rankings and visibility in search engines such as Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, Baidu, and so on. Now you have to take into consideration that Etsy, besides being a large marketplace, is also a search engine for products. So customers will land on the website, so on Etsy, and they will use the search tool, so the search bar, in order to find the product that they are looking for. That is where that SEO, so that search engine optimization, comes in, and you actually have to rank your products into the Etsy algorithm, so into the Etsy search. Now, there are a few key things that you can do to your products in order to improve that SEO on Etsy and to ensure that you rank higher in rankings, so on Etsy, and more customers land on your products. So here are the 6 things that you can apply to your store right now. The first thing that you want to do is to improve your title SEO. So that means that you want to include relevant and searched keywords in your title, and also, very important, the first keywords are actually the most important. So try to put in the most important keywords at the beginning of your title. When it comes to your title and to your keywords, you have to think like a buyer, not a seller. The second thing that you want to do, and which is pretty new, is to improve your product description. Now, for a long period of time, it was unclear whether the product description on Etsy really mattered or not when it comes to the SEO on Etsy, especially since on Google it mattered a lot. Now, Etsy made a post about this, and now it is very clear that that matters a lot. So you need to include those keywords in a very natural way in your product description as well. So you want to have a few paragraphs, or at least one, where you want to include once again the main keywords. Also try to describe your product, what it does, why it is better than others, what it is used for, and try to sound very natural, because Etsy, just as Google, uses a lot of AI in order to understand your product description and to see if you only spam keywords there or you actually have a sentence, a phrase that makes a lot of sense for your buyers. The third thing that you want to do in order to improve your Etsy SEO is to optimize your tags. So those are the 13 tags that Etsy allows you to use. So those are actually 13 keywords that you can use in order to boost yourself into the rankings. Now, what you want to do is to use, once again, the most important keywords, as long as they are up to 21 characters. So that means that you can use simple keywords or long tail keywords. So the simple keywords are jewelry, decor, paintings, and when it comes to long tail keywords, you have wall art prints, men's jewelry, women's jewelry, personalized jewelry, and so on. So that would be the difference between a simple keyword and a long tail keyword. Now, once again, make sure to include only the most important keywords when it comes to those 13 tags, because you want to make sure that your products appear to the relevant customers. You can also think about attributes, the occasions, materials, colors, what is it special about your product. So try to stand out when it comes to those keywords. We actually have 2 blog posts on how to write your titles and tags and your product descriptions on our website, timeofbusiness.com. We will leave a link in the description below to these 2 articles. So if you want to go even deeper, make sure to check them out, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and check out our website, timeofbusiness.com. The fourth thing, and something that not many of you do, is to actually go and edit your product with everything that Etsy offers you. So you need to place in the right category, the materials, the colors, the occasions, because what you might not know is that those attributes actually count as keywords. So let's say that you put in the material gold and the color black, or the material wood and the color green. So when someone will be looking for something that is wood and green, your product might show up even though you do not have that in your title or in your product description or even in your tags. So these small details can actually work as filters when it comes to what certain customers search for, and if you have everything included, that can be to your advantage. The fifth and maybe one of the most underrated part of SEO are photos. And that is because photos are actually part of your SEO, so at least of your visual part. So you have to think that when someone searches for a certain keyword, a bunch of photos will appear on Etsy, on Google, and a customer will intend to purchase a certain product or to engage with a certain post, and they will click on the best photo or the one that is most appealing to them. And if a customer clicks on your photo, that will send a message to the Etsy algorithm, so to the Etsy search engine, and you will be seen as a relevant post within that keyword, within that niche, and that will actually boost your rankings even higher. So the better photos you have, the more explicit about your product, about its usage, materials, the better the chance for someone to click on it, and that will actually lead to improving your rankings. So your SEO will actually be boosted by the quality of your photos. So that is why you need to use maybe a good light, a better phone, a DSLR, maybe use some props or maybe a white background. You need to look at your competition to see what works better for you. And you can even test out a few types of pictures and use them as main photos and see which one performs better. The sixth and last thing when it comes to SEO is shipping and price. Now, you might be surprised about this, but actually on Etsy, for example, free shipping actually ranks higher. So Etsy already knows that products with free shipping actually sell faster, and that is why products that have free shipping are actually pushed up in the rankings. And as you can see, that is actually part of your SEO. And also when it comes to pricing, Etsy might also see that in different categories, products between a certain price range will actually sell better and faster, and that means that you should also be within that price range in order to get those sales and to improve your rankings. So make sure to also price your products accordingly and include the shipping price in your product. So that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and you have now a better understanding that almost everything that you do on Etsy has an impact on your SEO. And by doing all those small changes, you can actually thrive on the platform. Now, once again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment below and let us know what you think, what you would like to see next, what are the struggles that you find on Etsy, and maybe we can help you out. If you found this video useful, we have an entire playlist with Etsy most frequently asked questions. So make sure to check them out right here and watch all of our videos in case you want to grow on Etsy.